Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you the BlueWillow AI prompt tricks. In BlueWillow AI, the more specific adjectives used and more detailed words were put together in the prompt will generate into much better art. In here, I prepared set of prompts and we will observe how BlueWillow AI will convert it into an art. First is this hilltop house, villa, black and white, plants, cinematic photography, top of the hill, sunset, balcony, highly detailed, 4K, cinematic, AR32. This AR32 is the aspect ratio of the image that will be generated. Let's wait a few moments here. So, here is our image. I think BlueWillow has done a great job with the prompt description that we put together. Let's try these waterfalls, plants, sun rays, ferns, misty river, clear water, majestic, highly detailed, 4K, cinematic, and the aspect ratio is 3:2. Oh, I am amazed by the result. Let's see these other arts we generated by the following prompts. Floating islands, hanging plants, hanging roots, rocky slopes, majestic, cinematic, in aspect ratio of 3:2 also. So in here, we have Wonder Woman, heroine, beautiful, red hair, in boots, flying, 4K, highly detailed, and in aspect ratio of 2:3. In here also, in our rookie channel, we can observe different prompts used by different BlueWillow AI users, more generated images on the channel, the more new technique we can learn from other users. And that is BlueWillow AI prompt tricks. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!